students, we were doing exercise 11.2 and we have done up to question number second. We have done question first and second of this exercise. Yes, dear students, now we will start our question number 3. Before starting this question, please tell, is there any doubt in these two questions? No? Okay. Now, let's see question number 3. What is given in question number 3? Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. What we have to do? We have to draw a circle of 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. What we have to take? We have to take 2 points P and Q. हमने क्या करना है? P और Q 2 पॉइंट लेने हैं. इस सर्कल जिसकी रेडियस 3 सेंटीमीटर, उसके डायमीटर्स को आगे एक्सटेंड करके 7 सेंटीमीटर के डिस्टेंस पे 2 पॉइंट लेने हैं P एंड Q. आफ्टर इट ड्रॉ टेंजेंट्स टू द सर्कल. हमने उन दोनों पॉइंट्स P और Q से इस सर्कल पे टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करने हैं. Yes, dear students, in this exercise we are studying about construction of tangents to a circle. हम इस एक्सरसाइज में टेंजेंट की कंस्ट्रक्शन के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. दिस कंसेप्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इट इज़ वेरी इजी ऑल्सो. ओके, सो डू दीज क्वेश्चंस केयरफुली. यू हैव टू डू दीज क्वेश्चंस यूजिंग शार्प पेंसिल and with proper measurement. So let's see how we will draw this question number 3. First of all, we will draw a radius, or we will draw a line segment OA as 3 centimeter. It is the radius of our circle. Let it is O and it is A. Taking O as center, हम क्या करेंगे? O को सेंटर लेंगे एंड OA एज रेडियस, और OA को रेडियस लेके एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे. लाइक दिस वी विल ड्रॉ सर्कल. डू दीज क्वेश्चंस very carefully. Don't do in hurry. Yes, like this we will draw a circle. After it we will take 2 points at a distance of 7 centimeter. Let it is first one point at a distance of 7 centimeter, or you can extend this diameter. हम इस diameter को extend करेंगे 7 centimeter तक. Like this we will extend this diameter in another direction also, 7 centimeter. Okay, you can. Yes, dear students, let it is point P and it is Q. Firstly, I am writing this distance. It is 3 centimeter. This OP is 7 centimeter and this OQ is again 7 centimeter. Now what we have to do, हमें इन पॉइंट्स P और Q से इस सर्कल पे टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करने हैं. सो फॉर दिस व्हाट वी विल डू? यस, वी विल ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. हम क्या करेंगे? परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करेंगे. किसका? Firstly, we will draw perpendicular bisector of OP. For drawing perpendicular bisector, open compass more than half of AP and make 2 arcs, one upside and one downside. Or with same radius, you can make arcs from O point, one upside and one downside. Now, taking O as center, make arcs. Let these are cutting. These are intersecting each other, and when we are joining these arcs, let these are intersecting these arcs. The join of these lines is intersecting OP at M. This point is M. Now M will be the midpoint of AB. अब M जो होगा वो OP का मिड पॉइंट होगा, बिकॉज व्हाट वी हैव डन, वी हैव ड्रॉन परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर, हमने परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ किया है किसका, ओपी का. एंड व्हेन वी ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ दैट लाइन सेगमेंट. नाउ we will draw perpendicular bisector of OQ with same radius. I have drawn two arcs, and with same radius, taking Q as center, I am drawing another two arcs. Let join of these two arcs, intersection of these arcs, let join of intersection of these arcs is intersecting लाइन ओ क्यू. ये ओ क्यू को किस पे कट कर रहा है, एन पे. किस पे कट कर रहा है, एन पे. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, टेकिंग एम एज सेंटर, हम क्या करेंगे, एम को सेंटर लेंगे और पी एम को रेडियस लेंगे. टेकिंग पी एम एज रेडियस, हम पी एम को रेडियस लेके एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे इन डॉटेड लाइन like this. This circle will pass through O point. ये सर्कल जो है O पॉइंट से पास आउट होगा, बिकॉज OM is equal to PM. And this circle is intersecting our circle of 3 centimeter radius at points T1 and T2. Join P to T1. हम क्या करेंगे अब, P को T1 से ज्वाइन करेंगे. Join P to T1 like this and P to T2. These are the tangents from point P on this circle, and length of these tangents will be equal. It means PT1 will equal to PT2. Now dear students, what we will do, we will take N as center. हम N को सेंटर लेके N Q को रेडियस लेके हम क्या करेंगे, जैसा अभी हमने किया है, सेम एज इट इज वी विल फॉलो, सेम प्रोसीजर वी विल फॉलो. टेकिंग N as center and Q1 as radius, Q1 as radius, we will draw another circle like this. Again this circle will pass through point O, where this third circle will intersect this circle of radius 3 centimeter. These will be points of contact, and let these are T3 and T4. Now join Q to T3 and Q to T4. These are the tangents drawn from point Q on this circle. Tangents are Q T3 and Q T4. Dear students, length of tangent Q T3 will equal to Q T4. This is our required question. This is our question number 3. I hope there is no doubt. Okay, I am repeating it. What we have done? Firstly, I have drawn OA is equal to 3 centimeter. हमने क्या किया है, OA 3 centimeter radius ली. Then taking O as center and O as radius, I have drawn a circle. मैंने एक circle draw किया. After it, what I have done, I have extended this diameter in both directions. Diameter of this circle such that this OP is equal to 7 centimeter and this OQ is equal to 7 centimeter. OP क्या है, 7 centimeter, OQ क्या है, 7 centimeter. Now taking these 2 points at 7 centimeter distance, what we have to do, we have to draw tangents. हमने tangent draw करनी है इस circle पे. As we have done in our question number first and second, for drawing the tangents, what we have to do? We have to draw perpendicular bisectors. Now what we have done, we have drawn perpendicular bisector of OP. Let this perpendicular bisector is intersecting OP at M. हमने क्या किया, परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ किया और वो परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर OP को M पे कट कर रहा है. टेकिंग M as center and PM as radius, draw a circle. This circle will intersect our first circle at point T1 and T2. These points T1 and T2 are the points of contact and PT1 is equal to PT2 are the tangents to the circle. Now dear students, what we will do, we will draw tangents from point Q also. So for this what we will do, we will draw perpendicular bisector of OQ. हम OQ का perpendicular bisector draw करेंगे. For drawing the perpendicular bisector, what we will do, we will open compass more than half of OQ and will make arcs upside and downside from points O and Q. Now after it we will join the point of intersection of these arcs. Let this perpendicular bisector is intersecting OQ at N. ये N पे इसको कट कर रहा है. Taking N as center and ON is equal to NQ as radius, we will draw a circle. हम एक circle को draw करेंगे. Let this circle, this third circle is intersecting our first circle at points T3 and T4. These points are points of contacts. Now QT3 is equal to QT4 are the tangents drawn from point Q to this circle. This is our question number 3.